Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to the channel where we help you shop smarter and avoid buying that weird gadget you saw on an infomercial at 2 a.m. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of floor cleaning. That's right, we're comparing the Bissell Power Fresh Steam Mop and the Steam and Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop. Spoiler alert. One of them might just steam your floors into submission, while the other might just steam up your windows with confusion. Let's kick this off with the price. The Bissell Power Fresh is priced at a cool $92. Reviewers appreciate this price point, especially for its cleaning performance and features. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go 10-in-1 is just a smidge more at $99. Customers who opt for this one highlight its versatility, indicating that the extra $7 is worth it if you want a mop that can do more than just clean floors. Now, let's talk cleaning power. The Bissell Power Fresh claims it can eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria, and many users agree it's effective at cleaning textured ceramic tile floors without the need for scrubbing. However, some reviews mention it doesn't remove all built-up grime completely. On the flip side, the Steam & Go boasts a 2-tank system, which allows for cleaning with water and detergent. Reviewers love its adjustable steam power, especially for tackling messes made by kids and pets. Versatility is the name of the game. The Bissell is great for sealed hard floors and even has a flip-down scrubber for tough messes. However, the Steam & Go is like the Swiss Army knife of steam mops. Reviewers rave about its ability to clean floors, tiles, grout, curtains, and even upholstery. It's a favorite among those who appreciate having multiple attachments for various cleaning needs. Design-wise, the Bissell features swivel steering and a 23-foot power cord, making it easy to maneuver. Users love its design for being user-friendly. The Steam & Go, on the other hand, has a 20-foot power cord and a detachable base for easy handling. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design, though some have mentioned issues with the handle's sturdiness under pressure. Lastly, let's talk safety. The Bissell is ready to use in just 30 seconds, which users find convenient. Meanwhile, the Steam & Go operates at a max temperature of 356 degrees Fahrenheit, making it effective for deep cleaning. However, some reviews caution against its vertical maneuverability, suggesting it's not the best option for cleaning window screens. Both mops have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to different needs. The Bissell Power Fresh is praised for its affordability and effectiveness on hard floors, while the Steam & Go 10-in-1 is celebrated for its versatility and ability to clean a variety of surfaces, despite some concerns about durability and attachment availability. So which mop comes out on top? If you're looking for simplicity and a solid clean, the Bissell Power Fresh is your go-to buddy. But if you want versatility and a mop that can do it all, the Steam & Go is the way to go. Whichever you choose, just remember to keep your floors clean and your sense of humor cleaner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and let us know which mop you think is the ultimate floor cleaning champ in the comments below. Until next time, keep buying smart.